We're not here to survive, guys. We're here to thrive. We're here to excel. We're here to achieve. We're here to achieve things that we didn't dream that we were able to achieve back in our home country. It's not about flexing back on family members and friends and colleagues and persons back in our home country, but it's about actually doing what is right, what is needed to create the platform to strive and to excel in this new country, right? So if you're watching this right now and you're an immigrant, let this be a reminder for you guys to remember the mission, remember the goal, remember why we left our beautiful countries, many of us, our beaches, our rivers, our streams, our food, our culture, our loved ones, our stability, and make the decision to come to a new country to start over from scratch. Many different variation in cultures in terms of different food, different weather, different people, different everything. Many of us are away from our families, and it's a constant sacrifice, loneliness, anxiety, immigration, so many challenges we're going through. It has to be for a reason. It has to be for a purpose. So please, guys, do not fall into the culture of mediocrity. Do not fall into the culture of just surviving. Do not fall into the culture of wasting time. You don't have time to waste as an immigrant in Canada. Well, what I can tell you is that if you put in the work, this country will reward you.